Hi guys, today we're going to explore space-saving design ideas together. As you're watching, that's an idea for a mobile canopy. It's called a smart canopy, because they can automatically adjust in and out. It's based on time and weather settings if configured to do so. A clever idea of a moving gate that makes use of a swinging door. Its advantage is that it's not dependent on the gate's width. And importantly, it can move smoothly thanks to the sliding wheels both on top and bottom. A single-fold sofa chair. Let's see how he uses it. Oh, it's really convenient for small spaces as well. Very modern and clever. When not in use, it looks like a table. It's really contemporary. The first time I've seen a foldable bathtub. That's quite an unusual concept. It's really suitable for the smallest of spaces. With a cover, it's ensured that nobody sees your body. If you haven't known about the solution of a mobile curved roof, here's one. The homeowner has implemented and is using it. A space-saving work desk is essential for a small area. This is an idea for compact spaces. It still fulfills the homeowner's usage needs. A creative idea for a dining table. It can be easily extended, though executing this concept might not be straightforward, as it's a round table. And it has multiple layers, catering to most of the customer's needs. This is not a new idea, but it's easier to execute, although you do need some technical know-how to make it happen. But a great idea.